Hey everybody, Joel here. So today we are starting our Ooni Karu 12 for the first time. Just lit the fire and I'll give you a peek and see what it's looking like. I think you could probably see, yeah, there's some good smoke coming out of the stack here. It's about 0 degrees right now and you can see the drifts in the back. We've got a pile of snow up here in northwest Minnesota this time of year. We're just pulling up onto New Year's Eve is tomorrow. And going to try out our pizza oven. We've got some friends up and going to give it a shot here for the very first time. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe and stay tuned. So this is after about 60 seconds of fire. I've got a little fire starter in there. It's called a haystack. We bought that when we bought the pizza oven. And then I've got some charcoal briquettes in there and also some pecan wood. So we're going to let this thing get up to temperature. It does call for seasoning for 30 minutes the first time you burn the pizza oven. And that's what we will do. Oh yeah, it's heating up nice. It is so cold out here. I'll look inside. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. We've got to get that stone up to about 700 to 750, I believe. We'll take a temperature reading right on the center in about 30 to 40 minutes and we'll see where we're at. Okay, here we go. First pizza is on the peel. We're going to go for launch. Get the door down here. See if we've got flame rolling. We've got flame rolling like we want it. Here we go. First pizza in the oven. First pizza coming out of the oven. Spin every 30 seconds. Boy, that looks pretty good. Tom, you want to throw the door back on?
Yep.
Okay. There we have it. So here we go with another. This is our second attempt. Pepperoni, sausage, pineapple, peppers, and onion. Turned out really well. This was a crust that we got at Breadsmith in Fargo, and the crust got crisper on this one than the last one, which was a homemade style. I'll bring you around, take a look at some of the ingredients that we're using. There's the peppers. Tom's putting some sauce on. We build the pie on the peel with cornmeal underneath. And one thing you want to do is you want to wait till the oven is hot and ready for the pie before you start saucing it up, because that sauce will soak right through and then you'll have troubles getting it off the peel and it's just not as good. So we've been having very good luck with it so far. Some of the other ingredients that we have here. We pre-baked our sausage on a pan, just regular old ground sausage, nothing special there. And we've got some, let's see, Parmesan. Grating some Parmesan on there, just some Hormel pepperoni. And this mozzarella, we've just been shredding some mozzarella on there. We also have the fresh mozzarella. There's one of our pizza doughs right there that we've been using. We got this at Shields. The pizza sauce we've been using is a standard one we got at Shields also. And we've also got a double-aught flour, but we haven't used that yet to make our own dough. So we're still going at it. We've got a couple more to make. That is number 3 right there that Tom is preparing on the peel. It does take quite a bit of wood. I've got some charcoal in here and also some tiny pieces of pecan that I've split up. We bought that in a bag actually at Shields, and then I've made it smaller. But it does burn the wood pretty quick, so you've got to stay on top of that and continually add wood. And it doesn't hurt to throw a piece or two of charcoal in at the same time. But we're getting ready to drop another one in, but you can see it's full-blown winter here in Minnesota. And we've got snow everywhere. We had some really good Christmas storms come through, and we're just having a blast with it, I guess. So just a quick wrap up on the first use of the Ooni Karu 12 pizza oven. It was a great success. We did end up doing, I think it was four pizzas in there to break it in. Again, you want to get the stone up to about 750 degrees was our best temperature for baking the crust and getting it crisp. We had better luck with our breadsmith crust than we did with our Shields add water crust. The breadsmith was already made and ready to go. One thing we're going to try next time is to do some smaller personal sized pizzas so we can experiment with some more different toppings. We did add oil to some of them, most of them actually, I think except for the first one. You could see Tom putting oil on when he was spreading the sauce. He was putting oil on also. But boy, they had really, really good flavor, those pizzas did. Turned out really well. They do have a gas option that you can get. We might look into that for a little bit more of an even heat. The wood and charcoal is really up and down, and you've got to stay on top of keeping that wood fed in there. And I think maybe, I don't know how hard a pecan wood is, seemed a little bit light. I might try a little harder wood, maybe go with a hard maple or an oak or maybe something even harder. We'll see, but we'll see what gives us the best results. But we're excited about it, about using it. But thank you for watching, appreciate that. And stay tuned, maybe we'll have some more pizza videos coming in the future. Everybody have a Happy New Year.